Stomach acid is enough to dissolve a stainless steel, but why it doesn't dissolve our stomach? What is the reason for gas problem? Welcome. Let's see what is the reason. Most of us know that there is an acid inside our stomach. The acid name is hydrochloric acid, which can easily dissolve stainless steel, but it doesn't able to digest mucus, which form a layer inside our stomach, so it doesn't harm our stomach. Do you know what is the reason for gas problem in our body? It is because, while eating, we may swallow air also, our small intestine can't able to digest the air inside. This is the reason. Finally, some healthy tips to avoid these problems. First, drink at least 3 glasses of water. An empty stomach, because water can make your body neutral and avoid so many diseases that cause. And next is very important to avoid gas problem. Just eat slowly and chew your food. This helps to digest our food properly and also avoid air entering in our mouth. That's all I got for this video. See you in next video.